In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Google Meet without having a Google account. Whether you're a guest in a meeting or simply haven't set up a Google account yet, joining Google Meet is straightforward and easy. Let's dive right into it so you'll be ready to connect with colleagues, friends, or family in no time. The first thing you'll need is an invitation link. This is typically sent out by the meeting host through email, chat, or perhaps even a calendar invite. Make sure you have access to this link as it's your entry point to the meeting. Once you have it, you're all set to proceed. Open the email or message that contains the link. It will generally look like a regular web link starting with https and followed by meet.google.com, along with a string of characters. Click on this link and it will open in your default web browser. It's important to ensure that your browser is up to date so that you can have the best possible experience during the call. When you click the link, your web browser will direct you to the Google Meet page for your meeting. Here's where the magic happens without needing a Google account. You'll be greeted by a welcome screen asking you to either join the meeting or sign in. Since you don't have a Google account, look for the option that allows you to join the meeting directly without signing in. This option is usually clearly indicated, so there's no worry about missing it. Next, you're prompted to enter your name. This is simply for identification purposes so that the host and other participants know who you are in the meeting. Feel free to type in your full name or a nickname, depending on the nature or formality of the meeting. After entering your name, go ahead and click the button to proceed. The next screen might ask you to grant permissions for your browser to access your camera and microphone. These permissions are essential for others to see and hear you during the meeting. Make sure you click Allow when prompted, otherwise your communication might be limited. Once these permissions are granted, you might see a preview of your video and hear a small tone indicating the microphone is active. Before entering, you'll typically have the option to mute your microphone or turn off your camera. This feature can be handy if you want to maintain privacy initially or avoid interrupting an ongoing discussion as you join. Adjust these settings as you see fit and then click Join Now to enter the meeting. And there you have it. You're now part of the Google Meet session without needing a Google account. If you encounter any issues, make sure your internet connection is stable and double check the permissions for your camera and microphone. Enjoy your meeting experience and feel free to leave a comment if you have questions or need more guidance on using digital tools effectively. Thanks for watching and happy meeting.